Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 and today I want to show you how you can rename your device. Go into Settings, now choose About Phone and tap Device Name. Over here, you can rename your device however you want. When you're done, click at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!